Hey everyone, and welcome back from the video on the channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 3. Let's get started. Alright, so this is the Apple Watch Series 3, the 38mm screen in the space gray aluminum color. But let's go ahead and try to open this up. Got this and pull it out. Like so. And the first thing you see when you open the box is the thing on how to put the band on it. And then another thing that's probably a different language, I'm guessing. Yeah, this is a French one. And then another one. So we have all these things here, more. And then if you take this, I assume this is the band. Yep, here's the band. So we have the band right here. And then the charger, and then we have this right here, which is the watch with the band already on it. So I assume this is, I guess, just an extra band or a bigger one. I'm not quite sure. And yep, so we have, I'm pretty sure this might be just a longer one for people with bigger wrists. Put it to the side, and then we have the standard Apple Watch charger here that just magnetically goes onto the back like that. And yeah, that's all that we have in the box. All right, now we have the desk cleared off and we have the Apple Watch powering on. Now, just out of the box, it does come charged, but you should let this charge obviously so that it gets the full battery. But yeah, this right here is the Apple Watch Series 3. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, share with your friends. Until next time, goodbye.